have a nice juicy twist.
It's juicy.
It is.
It really is. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Ashley.
And I'm Angelique, and today we have a very special video that we're so excited about. If you follow us on our Instagrams, our joint Instagrams, you know what this is. And it's in the title too, but we are so excited for Melanin Hair Care.
Yes. If you guys don't know who Naptural85 is on YouTube, she's like the OG of the natural hair community on YouTube. She's like one of the first to do it. She has been making tutorials and videos on YouTube going back like maybe 8 years. So she's really been doing this for a long time, and we have been watching her for about 5 or 6 years now.
I'd say 6 or 7.
Oh,
because it was before Olivia, her daughter.
True.
Yeah, so we've been watching her for a long time on YouTube. She just announced her secret that she kept for 6 years, which is her hair care line that was in the works called Melanin Hair Care. I believe she announced it in December, and that is when we placed our pre-order for 2 of her products that are on the website. The only 2 hair type products, the rest are just like accessories, hair accessories. But we got our package, and we're so excited to review it for you guys.
We're so proud of Whitney for this. I mean, this is huge.
This is huge.
She really built this from the ground up. Like, this is her own brand that she's created, her own products. This is not in collaboration with any other company or anything. This is all her and her family. So this is a really big deal. This is a huge accomplishment. We were so excited to support her. So I really just want to get into this review of the products. We're gonna go ahead and start applying them and showing you guys what they are.
So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We're growing pretty rapidly.
Yes. We've been getting a lot of new people to our channel. So hey, thank you so much for subscribing. Please subscribe if you aren't already, if this is your first time here. And I just want to go ahead and get started on this review of Melanin Hair Care.
This is our hair freshly washed. I put in a leave-in conditioner, which was suggested by Whitney. I watched her tutorial on how she used the Melanin Hair Care products, and she put in a leave-in. I believe she used the Main Choice leave-in. We used a Shea Moisture Low Porosity leave-in, and we really like it. All our hair has in it right now is just a leave-in. That's it.
Yes.
We shampooed, conditioned yesterday, and then put in a leave-in, and then here we are today. We just fluffed it out.
I'm gonna go ahead and get started on trying out this Twisting Elongating style cream with shea butter and natural oils. It's long-lasting definition, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes. Just, it's clean. It's good.
It's clean. It's just as pure as it can get.
I do want to mention that ours isn't
Completely full.
There is a little bit of a gap in there, but I mean,
same thing for the oil. It didn't come completely full to the brim, but I mean, it is what it is. So each of these products will have the price probably on the screen of how much the products are.
Yes.
I don't know why I feel nervous to get started, but we're gonna get started.
I'm excited.
So what we're gonna do is we're basically just gonna do some twists in our hair. I like to do a total of 8, 4 on each side. I'm not gonna do tiny twists or anything.
And then I'm gonna basically just try to twist out this cream that she has come out with. She usually markets it as a twist out cream, like it's really good for styling and making sure that your twist out turns out really nice.
Now, because I washed my hair yesterday and it is somewhat moisturized from the leave-in, it's not completely moisturized, so I'm just going to do one tiny spray. This is aloe vera juice in here. I like to use it because it's more moisturizing, but I just want to get my hair a little bit damp before I go ahead and apply the product.
Here we go.
Here we go. I don't know why I'm so nervous.
Let me tell you guys about the smell too. It just smells like shea butter.
Yeah.
Like pure shea butter. I don't think you actually have to use this much.
The consistency is really nice. When you think of shea butter, you usually think of like a really hard consistency. This is very much like lotion in your hands. Like, it's very soft and creamy. I'm very heavy-handed with products, but I'm trying not to be. I feel like I didn't put enough in.
Put a little bit more on my end. Oh, it looks good. Look at that. My curls are popping already. I'm gonna put a little bit more up here.
I like the consistency of it. It doesn't feel like a really heavy product. Like I said, it feels like lotion. It's light and it's creamy. One thing about shea butter that I don't love using, like the raw shea butter, is that it's hard to melt sometimes, and when it does melt, it's very much like an oil consistency, and then when it isn't melted properly, you get like chunks of shea butter in your hair, and I don't like that. So this is like a really good alternative. Oh, I feel it now. It's like I feel like my hair is coated in it. It feels really nice.
I like how this isn't really liquidy. You know what I mean? Like, you know, like when you're applying product into your hair will feel wet after. Like, it's just like you feel like this is gonna take days to dry. This is actually really, it isn't moist. It's just, it feels like it's just enough. Like, it's a cream, it's hydrating, it's moisturizing the hair, so it's not gonna leave you with like tons of residue and that white cream laying on top of your twist.
So we're gonna seal our hair with the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend with jojoba, argan, and vitamin E oil. And there's no silicones, no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens. This oil, I've already smelled it. I've heard other people say it smells amazing, and it does. It smells like a nice lemony floral scent. I love it. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of it.
I love the applicator, by the way.
Yeah, it is really nice. My hair does feel a little waxy in a way. I don't know if it's because, does yours feel waxy?
It's the shea butter.
Yeah, I think it is, but it does feel a little waxy. I can tell though that it's going to hold its curl pretty well when I twist it.
It's gonna be really defined.
Yeah. But it does feel a little waxy. Not what I'm used to, but we'll see. Whitney's hair always looks amazing, so I'm open-minded. Now, I think for the other sections, we're just gonna go through this pretty quickly, because once you do one, you kind of do them all. You've seen it all. We're just going to do the same step for the rest of our head. We have a nice juicy twist.
It's juicy.
It is.
It really is.
I love a juicy twist. You could just tell that it's going to shrink up nicely and hold its shape.
If we mentioned it before, it's an elongating cream, so it's supposed to stretch your hair. It's supposed to give you stretched curls with your twist out. So hopefully my hair looks stretched. Oh, I forgot to spray.
Yes.
A little information and a little backstory on Whitney and how these products came about. When she first started her channel and coming up with natural hair, like good natural hair products that she can use in her own hair to get the results that she wanted, she used to make a lot of DIY videos. And she used to make her own hair products basically, and she would come up with her own oil blends for her hair, and people would
want to make it, but a lot of people complain that they don't have time to make it, that it would just be easier if they could buy it. And I don't know if she really responded to that, but in her head, I guess, she was already planning on her brand, her Melanin Hair Care products, where she could make them or have them made and you could purchase them, which is really cool, because honestly, I'm a person that really likes convenience. I rather buy it if I can. If I know that it's just going to be as organic, if I were to make it, I'd rather buy it.
My hair looks so shiny and moisturized in these twists. Looks great. Alright guys, we're just gonna speed through this because you already know what's happening.
We'll come back when our twists are done.
Okay guys, we're back. Our hair is in twists. We've used both of the products. Right now I can say my hair looks really shiny. It feels really good. It feels really moisturized. I love this oil. Like, it's also a body oil as well. It's all over my hands right now and I don't want to waste it, so I'm just trying to pat it into my head, but it's so nice. I also put some in my scalp.
I really like the oil too. I think, first of all, both products come in like a generous amount. There's a lot of product, and considering that, you know, say if we saw these products on the shelf, and because each of these products, I think one is $16.99, the other is $17.99, it is kind of a lot. And if I were to see this in Target on the shelf, I would probably think this is a lot of money for one product. But it does come in a large amount, which I appreciate.
And the styling cream, this is all the both of us have used so far. Like, up to here, that's really amazing. That's how you know that this product is going to last you a long time. A little does go a long way, so that's great as well. This is 475 milliliters, 16.1 fluid ounces of product.
And this one is 8 fluid ounces, which isn't that bad. The bottles are transparent. That's another thing I wanted to mention that I really like about her product. Her bottles are always transparent, so that way you can see exactly how much of the product you have left. Same thing for this one. It's clear. The packaging is always clear, so you'll see the color of the product. You see exactly what's inside, how much you have left. You know exactly what's going on here. Everything's transparent. Everything's simple. Everything's clean. Everything's natural. I just love that about this brand. It's so different to have in the natural hair community. Okay guys, that's all we're gonna say for today. These twists are gonna stay in our hair overnight until tomorrow. We'll take them out tomorrow so you guys can see exactly how this is going to look. So yeah, we'll see you then. Hi you guys, it is now 2 days after.
Yes.
Since the last clip you saw when we installed the twist, used the Melanin Hair Care for the very first time. Now it is Monday morning. We're on our way to school and we want to go ahead and take our twist out. We waited 2 days because we wanted to make sure that our twist dried all the way through perfectly. There's no wet areas in our hair, which happens to me a lot, usually during the roots.
I know that next time when I do this, I'm going to make sure that I do twist all the way up to my roots, because this right here, I don't like that.
Yeah.
Like, you see how much hair I didn't get. So I'm going to try to do the flat twist.
I've never done them before. I don't know if I know how to do it.
I do. I just should have done that the first time.
Okay. Anyways, let's start taking them out. I'm going to start with the back. So far from what I can see, my twist stayed twisted pretty well. Sometimes my twists unravel at the ends. Mine did not. I think the styling cream really helps set it properly.
I'm noticing that our hair is very moisturized. It still has a lot of that shea butter residue on it, and that oil kept it sealed.
Look at that.
Yeah,
that's cute. Really defined. Wow, look at that. When I do touch my hair, I still have a little bit of the oil residue on my hands, which is fine. It'll help with the frizz, so my hair doesn't frizz up as I'm taking it down.
And it's gonna keep it moisturized throughout the day. Alright, so my twists are out. I'm gonna start pulling some of them apart.
Look how defined. You guys see that?
They're so moisturized too, and they're so shiny and soft. I just wish I did close to the roots up here.
Yeah,
that's my only regret.
But because I'm sleeking it down, because I like to do ponytails, it's fine because I'm gonna have to brush my roots anyways, so that curl pattern would come out anyways with the brush. But
let's see how long this lasts too. So juicy.
They are really juicy. My hair smells really good. It's subtle. It's soft. It's not too much. It's soft smelling. It's light.
It doesn't smell like heavy of shea butter
or just product in general. You don't really smell the oil. You smell it, but it's not overbearing. It's not too much.
I love this. Look how cute this looks. The ends turned out so good. I'm going to use my WETLINE Extreme Gel. If you haven't seen our review on this gel yet, it's our previous video before the one you're watching now. Go ahead and check it out.
It'll be in the iCards above. So this is mine fluffed. Of course, with the middle part, it's not as flattering, but for the side part, it'll look cuter. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back.
My ponytail is moisturized. Yes. Okay, so we're done with our hair. We're gonna go to class, and then when we get back, we're gonna do a full review, ending review on our final thoughts on the Melanin Hair Care line. Go down a list of pros and cons and everything. We're also gonna tell you a little bit more about the products, what the website says, and things like that. So, see you after class. Okay, so we're back. It has been many days later. It's now Thursday. And we actually filmed the ending part of this video on Tuesday when we got back from class, but we ended up not really liking the footage, so we just want to redo this and give our final thoughts on the Melanin Hair Care line and products. Okay, so final thoughts, and I'm actually glad that we decided to film the outro a couple days later, because I can really tell you how my hair has been reacting to the product after a few days. And so far, really good. My hair is super moisturized still. Like, it's, I don't think I've ever experienced this much moisture from a product for this long without having to reapply. Yeah. My hair is still very moisturized. Like, I just put in the product yesterday. Every time I touch my hair, I still get like product on it. Oil, a little bit of the shea butter. The products together, I think, work really well. So if you're thinking about maybe just getting one and hoping to reach the benefits that you would get from somebody that used both, I suggest you just get the both products, because they work really great together. Like she said, we have not had to reapply this product since we put it in about a week ago. So it really helps to keep the moisture in the hair. It's a really long lasting, very nourishing, very moisturizing, both the oil and the shea butter elongating style cream. So usually when I put my hair in twist, I finish off with a gel to help define my curls, and I didn't do that this time because I really just wanted to see how the Melanin Hair Care products work. And my hair is, I think, just as, or if not more defined than me using the gel usually, which is crazy. And I think it's really just the styling cream. It does a great job with holding the style for a long time, and then the oil, of course, adding that shine and definition. Really great. It's one less product that I have to use, which is the gel that I usually do use. Now, I do like using the gel, and I think I will continue using it just because I think that type of gel makes my hair really soft, but you don't need it, and that's a great option to have. So those are our thoughts on Melanin Hair Care. We really do love the products. We're going to continue using the products, and in the future I'm going to be doing some videos of us doing different hairstyles with the products to show you guys how you can create different styles and how these products hold up to those different styles. So I want to mention it again, both products come in a very generous amount, and I really appreciate that. Although the price is a little bit on the high side, I don't mind paying this much for something that I know will work great in my hair, has natural ingredients, supports a Black-owned business, and just works really well in my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there. So both of the products will be linked down below in our description, so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. And thank you guys so much for watching this really long review of Melanin Hair Care, but it's very in-depth, very informative, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. For more additional information on what we think about Melanin Hair Care, we will be writing a blog post about it, so you can check that out on our blog. We will have images and links and more, like I said, information on the products and what we think, and more updates on how it's going for us and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.